Hare Krishna. 21st Brahma Sutra. Om Bheda Vyapadeshachaanyaha Om. Bheda Vyapadeshacha, dweller, Antastha, within the heart of all souls and deities such as Indra and others are told to be existing separately. Veda, at all the time. Difference, at all the time. Anyaha, dweller, Antastha, within the heart of all souls, is different from deities such as Indra and others. The dweller, the Antaryami, the person who is within the heart of all the souls, is different from the deities such as Indra, Varuna, Vayu, Agni, Chandra, and others and others. Taittiriya Aranyaka, following three Srutis sentences, will confirm the difference between Brahman, the Paramatma, Supreme, and other deities such as Indra and all. Indrasyatmanihita Panchahota, the Supreme Lord Brahman is the inner guide as Atma, dwells within Indra, brings the experience, Vishaya Bhoga, of five senses, the Panchendriyas, in every heart, souls. Every soul will get the experience of Vishaya Bhoga, the Panchendriyas, due to him, because he is inner guide, inner Atma. Second, Vayoratmanam Kavayo Nichikyuhu. The wise have found the Brahman as the inner guide, Antaryami of Vayudeva. Vayudeva is regarded as the highest soul. He is under him. That means the highest soul of Vayudeva itself finds the Lord within his heart. So, Lord is within the heart of Vayudeva also. He is Antaryami of Vayudeva also. Leave aside other ordinary souls. He is already Antaryami within the hearts of all the souls. He is also available. He is also Antaryami of the Vayudeva. Antaraditye manasa charantam devanam hrudayam brahmanva vindat ityadi bheda vyapadeshat. The four-headed Brahmadeva found him. That means who is that Supreme God? He found the four-headed Brahmadeva found Vishnu dwelling of his own accord, liberally within the sun god, and also found him in the heart of all other deities. So Chaturmukha Brahma is the highest soul. He is equivalent to the Vayudeva. He found that the Lord is liberally, he is dwelling in the heart of sun god and also found in the hearts of all other deities, Tattvabhimani Devatas. So the Lord is dwelling within all heart. So this is the end of this 21st Sutra. Antastattvadikarana ends. The Sangati Panchakas of Antastattvadikarana, that Sangati Panchakas will just have a brief. Prana, Jyoti, Annamaya, etc. words are used liberally to identify other things, others, not the Brahman. Annamaya word is used to identify a part of our physical body. These words are not used to refer Brahman generally. Such words are called as Annatra Prasiddha, Anyatra Prasiddha, famous elsewhere other than to denote Brahman. The one declared by Vedas to be within the deities is but Brahman only, Vedas declare. The Antasthalinga within all dharma is coordinated in Brahman. The Antasthalinga is coordinated within the Brahman. Thus, Antarbhava Rupa Shastra Sangati, Antarbhava Rupa Shastra Sangati, Brahma Mimamsa Shastra Sangati, and Adhyaya Sangati, Adhyaya in this Adhyaya, first Adhyaya Sangati, and Pada Sangati, the first Pada of this first Adhyaya are included. These three are included now. Three qualities. The qualities Antastva Dharma, dweller Antastva Dharma of Anandamaya are also argued to be with Indra and all other deities also. These qualities are also with Indra and other deities So like this it was argued. Thus, Akshepiki Rupa Sruti Sangati and Adhikarana Sangati are included. So it has been argued, and afterwards it is proved that the within is Brahman only. So these two Sangatis, Akshepiki Rupa, Sruti Sangati and Adhikarana Sangati are included. So Sangati Panchakas are included in this Adhikarana. So always in any Adhikarana, Sangati Panchakas are to be included. So that's why. Let us remember this. First three Sangatis. Let us, what is Sangati Panchakas? Just again for our just listeners. First three Sangatis, the Shastra Sangati, Adhyaya Sangati and Pada Sangati are related and inclusive to Brahma Mimamsa Shastra, respective Adhyayas and Padas. These are grouped as Antarbhava category. Remaining two Sangatis, the Adhikarana Sangati and Sruti Sangati are grouped as Anantarya category. Adhikarana Sangati is to find the relation with previous Adhikaranas. Sruti Sangati is to find the relation with the Srutis which are explained in previous Adhikaranas. So like this is Panchakas, Sangati Panchakas. These are mainly of Anantarya Sangati categories. In this case, Akshepiki Anantara Sangati is included. These two, that's Sruti, Adhikarana Sangati. Akshepiki Sangati, Akshepiki Ananta Sangati, to raise the objection to the previously discussed subject and to clarify the objection. Just this Sangati Panchakas again, just we have briefed it because sometimes you may forget, that's it. Then subject of this Adhikarana, Antastha, one who is dwelling within all the deities. Then doubt arises whether Antastha is Indra, Surya or Anandamaya Brahma, Vishnu itself. So like this doubt is there. Who is the Antastha? Then Purva Paksha, Antastha is Indra or Surya, because there are many Vedic sentences prove Indra Raja, Sapta Yunjati, etc. like this. So doubts arise that the Antastha is the Indra, Surya and so. Then fourth, Uttara Paksha, for that answer should be given. It is to be proved that they are not. Only Brahman is the Antastha. Taittiriya, Shruti and other Veda sentences have declared Samudratva, one to be dwelling within the Milky Ocean. Brahmanda Viryatva, one who creates the universe, is with Brahman Vishnu only, nobody else. So Samudratva and Brahmanda creation and all things are not with Indra, Chandra and other deities. So Vishnu only. Other deities such as Indra, Chandra, Vayu and others are not being referred to be within all the souls and things also, as such they are not having Antastha Dharma. Lord Vishnu, the Parabrahman, is only dwelling within the hearts of all the souls. So conclusion, Anandamaya is Lord Vishnu only. Lord Vishnu is Brahman only. End of Antastha. So this is the end of the Antastha. So we'll go with next Adhikarana in the next class. Hare Srinivasa, Hare Krishna.